Good day everyone, I'm Daño, and today I will discuss the laboratory materials used in analytical chemistry. Objectives: to identify the laboratory apparatus used in analytical chemistry and also to identify each part and its functions. First, we have the graduated cylinder. It is a piece of laboratory apparatus used to measure the volume of liquids, chemicals, or solutions during the lab daily work. Graduated cylinders are more precise and accurate than the common laboratory flasks and beakers. Next, we have the volumetric flask. A volumetric flask is a lab glass or plasticware used to prepare a solution. It is used to make up a solution to a known volume. Volumetric flasks are used to measure volumes much more precisely than beakers or Erlenmeyer flask. And we also have the Erlenmeyer flask. Erlenmeyer flasks are used to contain liquids and for mixing, heating, cooling, incubation, filtration, storage, and other liquid handling processes. Their slanted sides and narrow necks allow the contents to be mixed by swirling without the risk of spills, which is useful for tiltrations and for boiling liquids. Next, we have the boiling flask. The boiling flask, also known as a round-bottom flask, is a chemical vessel with a spherical body and a cylindrical neck. It is most often used when heating solutions, particularly for distillation. And we also have a volumetric pipette. A volumetric pipette, bulb pipette, or belly pipette allows extremely accurate measurement to 4 significant figures of the volume of a solution. It is calibrated to deliver accurately a fixed volume of a liquid. Next, we have a Moore pipette. A Moore pipette is a graduated pipette that is designed to deliver small portions of a liquid or solution. These portions are determined by recording the difference between the initial and the final volume readings. We also have the serological pipette. The serological pipette is a laboratory instrument that transfers liquids measured in volume by ml. Most have graduations on the side for measuring the liquid being dispensed or aspirated. The use of serological pipettes is an efficient and gentle means of mixing cell suspensions. Next, we have the Eppendorf pipette. Eppendorf pipettes are commonly a laboratory tool used to measure and transport liquid. Due to the cost of these useful instruments, you'll have to take care to preserve their condition. Pipettes also have different colored tips which represent different dosages. Next, we have a glass head value burette. A burette is used to distribute exact and small amounts of liquid. Burettes have a stopped cock or valve at the end that permits liquids to be released into other elements at slow rates. Burettes distribute an accurate amounts of urgent needed. Calculating the amount of liquid is done by reading graduated marks on the burette before and after dispensing the liquid. And lastly, we have the Teflon value burette. Burette with straight bore Teflon stopcocks are made from the highest quality, accurate bore tubing to provide a high degree of accuracy, reliability, and durability. All graduations are in resilient white enamel. Conclusion: I learned that there are different types of laboratory apparatus and it all has its own uses and functions. It is important to familiarize this apparatus because it is a big help for us in the near future.